Appliance disasters can happen in an instant. What if you could prevent these costly, stressful breakdowns with just a few simple tips? Your kitchen is filled with appliances that can make life easier when used safely. Today, we'll walk through the basics of using your stove, oven, dishwasher, microwave, and garbage disposal to keep your household running smoothly and help you avoid safety or maintenance issues. Remember, appliances are built to last many years, so if you are running into frequent issues, you may not be using them correctly. If they break, it may be your responsibility to replace them. Let's start with the stove. Always make sure the burner is off before placing a pan on it, and never leave the stove on while you are not there. Be gentle with the knobs. They can break if you twist them too hard. Use the correct burner for each pan, and keep flammable items like towels or paper away from the stovetop. Always be cautious when cooking with high heat. It's best to avoid keeping your burners on maximum or even high heat for too long, especially when using oil. Hot oil can splatter and cause serious burns, leaving permanent stains on your stovetop or even start fires that damage the entire kitchen. Never leave oil unattended while cooking, and always start with a small amount of oil. You can add more if needed. If cooking oil starts smoking, immediately turn off the heat and move the pan to a cool burner. To protect your stove, avoid overfilling pans and clean up spills promptly. Some people may cover the stovetop in aluminum foil to make cleaning easier. However, this is considered hazardous as the foil reflects heat and can become extremely hot, potentially causing burns, melting or damaging the stove's surface, and in extreme cases may cause a fire. When using a lot of oil, keep a metal lid nearby to cover the pan if the oil catches fire, and never use water to put out a grease fire. After cooking, double check that all the burners are turned off and wipe down around the burners to avoid potential fire and prevent pests. Next up is the oven. Make sure to preheat it to the required temperature before putting food inside, and avoid opening the door too often to keep the temperature steady. In the United States, we use Fahrenheit to measure the degrees of temperature, so you can use your phone to convert it if you're used to using Celsius. Use oven mitts to prevent burns, and after cooking, let the oven cool completely before wiping it down. Keeping it clean will prevent food buildup that can cause smoke or even fires. Sometimes food can spill in the oven and make a big mess. For cakes and food that bubbles, use a pan with sides that go up a little. This will prevent food from bubbling over. To make cleaning easier, you can use parchment paper on your pan. This will prevent food from getting stuck. Now let's talk about the dishwasher. To get the best results, scrape off excess food from dishes and rinse before loading. Arrange larger items on the bottom rack and smaller ones on the top, and make sure to only put fragile, but still dishwasher-safe, items on the top rack. Although most glass and ceramic dishes are dishwasher safe, always check to see if it is specified on plastic or fragile dishes, and never put wooden spoons or dishes in the dishwasher. When the dishwasher is full, simply add dishwasher detergent and run the dishwasher on a normal cycle to get clean dishes. When using the microwave, always cover food to avoid messy splatters, but make sure the cover is microwave safe. Never put metal or aluminum foil in the microwave, as these can cause sparks or cause your microwave to catch on fire. If you're unsure whether something is microwave safe, check it for the microwave safe symbol before putting it in the microwave. Make sure to wipe down your microwave regularly to keep it clean. And for the garbage disposal, always run cold water before, during, and after using it. Avoid putting in bones, fat, or grease, or anything particularly thick or tough, as these can cause clogs or break your disposal. If something gets stuck, turn off the disposal and use tongs or pliers to remove it. Never use your hands. Good kitchen habits go a long way. Wipe down surfaces with soap and water, and store food properly to prevent pests. By taking these few simple steps, you'll keep your kitchen appliances running smoothly and help maintain a good relationship with your landlord. Using your appliances correctly means better meals, fewer repairs, and a clean, comfortable kitchen. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!